Hello. In this video I will show you how to set up parental control on Motorola Moto G30. So you have to start by opening your settings application, and then you have to scroll down and click on Google. Now click on Children and Family, and then click on Parental Controls, and now click Get Started. Now select Child or Teenager, and then click Next. Now click on Add or Create Account for your child. And now you have to type in your child's email address. Then click Next. And now you have to enter your child's password. Now click I agree. Then click Accept. And here you have to select your account. And now you have to enter your parent email address. Then click Next. And now you have to enter your parent password. And now you have to scroll all the way down. And here you have to enter your child's password again. Now click Next. And here you have to scroll down. And then click Next. Click Next, and here you can click Install Family Link, or you can click Skip, and then you can install this app manually. Now you can click on Review Controls, and as you can see, my parental control is now set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.